Wash your socks in the microwave. This method was shown to me by my mother-in-law, and since then, I never struggle with dirty socks anymore. Very few people know about it, and nothing has ever cleaned my socks this well. Start by preparing a plastic bag and placing a dirty pair of socks inside. Add a little water, then take a regular bar of soap and rub it thoroughly into each sock, making sure you do not miss any spot. Tie the bag, leaving some air inside. This is very important. Put the bag into the microwave and set it for 4 minutes on high. The high temperature combined with steam and simple soap loosens dirt, lifts dried residue, and cleans the fibers much more thoroughly than hand washing. When the time is up, carefully remove the bag and rinse the socks in the sink. Once dry, they look as if they were just bought. It is a simple and natural method that requires no additional detergents.